My dear brothers and sisters, one of the greatest acts of faith in Islam is placing your complete trust and reliance upon Allah. In times of fear, in times of need, in times of uncertainty, the believer's heart finds peace not in wealth, not in people, but in Allah alone. Today, let us explore 5 key tips on how to strengthen our trust in God, based on the Holy Book, Hadith, and the example of our Prophet peace be upon him. Tip 1. Tie your camel, which means take the means. Trusting God does not mean abandoning effort. The Prophet peace be upon him taught us balance. A man once asked him, "Should I tie my camel and rely on God, or leave it untied and rely on him?" The Prophet replied, "Tie it and then rely upon God." Tirmidhi, 25:17. This means we must take practical steps. Study for the exam, apply for the job, seek medical treatment. Putting your trust in God is not laziness. It is working hard while knowing the outcome rests with Him. Tip 2. Remember God's control over all affairs. Sometimes fear grips us because we think people can harm us. But the Prophet peace be upon him gave us a powerful reminder. Know that if the whole nation were to gather to benefit you, they would not benefit you except with what God has already written for you. And if they were to gather to harm you, they would not harm you except with what God has already written against you. The pens have been lifted and the pages have dried. Tirmidhi, 25:16. This hadith teaches us that no one can harm or benefit us except by God's decree. Knowing this removes fear of people and strengthens trust in God's plan. Tip 3. Reflect on God's provision. The Prophet peace be upon him said, "If you were to rely upon God with true reliance, He would provide for you as He provides for the birds. They go out hungry in the morning and return full in the evening." Tirmidhi, 23:44. Notice, the birds don't sit in their nests waiting. They leave, they strive, but their hearts trust that God will feed them. So when you worry about provision, remember, God is our Razak, the provider. He provides for the smallest creature in the sea and the largest beast on land. Will He not provide for you? Tip 4. Stay patient in trials. Trusting God is not only about provision, it's about patience during hardship. When the Prophet peace be upon him and Abu Bakr were hiding in the cave during the Hijrah, Quraysh were right outside. Abu Bakr whispered in fear, "If they look down, they will see us." The Prophet peace be upon him replied calmly, "Do not grieve, indeed God is with us." Qur'an 9:40. This is putting your trust in God. Even in danger, the Prophet's heart was at peace, knowing God is with those who trust Him. When hardship strikes, remind yourself, God's plan is wiser than my fears. Tip 5. Make dua and strengthen your connection with the Almighty. The more you connect with Him, the more your trust grows. Pray, make du'a, and remember Him often. The Prophet peace be upon him would make this du'a. "O God, to you I have submitted, in you I have believed, in you I have put my trust." Bukhari, 63:17, Muslim, 27:10. Trust is built through constant remembrance and supplication. My dear brothers and sisters, having complete trust in God is a journey. It requires effort, reflection, and faith. May God fill our hearts with reliance upon Him, grant us peace in times of fear, and bless us with the sweetness of Tawakkul. Ameen. For more videos on Islamic reminders and tips, subscribe to this channel.